Immerse yourself in the symphony of nature. A forest, teeming with life, echoes with a melody that's both soothing and invigorating. Hear the rustling leaves whispering tales of the ages. The wind, an unseen maestro, conducts a harmonious orchestra of creaking branches and rustling foliage. The distant chirping of birds. Each note is a testament to the unending cycle of life. The babbling brook weaves a rhythmic lullaby, the sounds of water dancing over stones, a tranquil serenade. A deer's cautious tread, the squirrel's playful scamper, the owl's wise hoot. Each sound is a verse in nature's epic poem. Listen closely. Each time you'll hear a new story, a different verse, another layer in the grand tapestry of life. This is the forest's lullaby, a soothing soundtrack that never ends. Close your eyes, breathe in, and let the forest sing you its timeless song.